Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to scan Wi-Fi password using QR code. So in this device you can see I already connected to a Wi-Fi network. You can see this connected to Wi-Fi 2024. So in this device I didn't connect any Wi-Fi. So let me show you how to scan the Wi-Fi password using QR code. For this, go to settings and here you can see the option connections. Tap on this one. First of all, we need to enable the option Wi-Fi. Now tap on the option Wi-Fi. Okay, so here in this phone we need to enable the QR code. Just tap on the Wi-Fi. Now here you can see the QR code. So using this QR code I am going to connect this device. So here you can see the scanner. Just tap on this one. Now we need to scan this QR code. Yeah, now you can see it is connected. So simply in this way we can scan Wi-Fi password using the QR code. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.